Today, we're diving into the world of drive partition management with a review of MiniTool's Partition Wizard, a tool that promises to make managing your hard drives and partitions as easy as pie. Whether you're looking to resize, format, or clone your drive, MiniTool can do it all. But how good is it really? And more importantly, is it worth your time? Stick around because I'm going to give you a full breakdown of its features, show you a little of how it works, and let you know if it lives up to the hype. So let's get to it. So what exactly is MiniTool's Partition Wizard? In simple terms, it's a disk partition management tool. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for your hard drives. It helps you create, resize, delete, format, and even recover partitions with just a few clicks. The latest version, 12.8, comes packed with a variety of features aimed at both beginners and advanced users. It supports Windows 7 up to Windows 10 and 11, offers disk cloning, partition recovery, and even lets you migrate your OS to a new SSD, something that's super handy if you're upgrading your system. We'll have a download link in the show notes so you can snag Partition Wizard for free. MiniTool Partition Wizard has a ton of features, but here are the ones that really stand out. Disk and partition management. With MiniTool, you can resize, create, delete, and format partitions easily. The interface is super intuitive. You just drag and drop to resize partitions. Perfect if you're running out of space on one drive and need to shuffle things around. OS migration. This is a lifesaver for anyone upgrading to a new SSD. The OS migration tool moves your operating system to a new drive without reinstalling Windows. It's simple and it works seamlessly. We've sped this migration up a bit for the video, but it really is a quick process overall. Data and partition recovery. Have you accidentally deleted a disk partition or data file? MiniTool's partition recovery feature scans for lost partitions and helps you recover them without breaking a sweat. Again, we've sped this recovery up a bit for the video, but the process doesn't take all day or anything crazy. Disk and partition copying. Want an exact copy of your disk or a partition? The copy feature creates a replica of your disk or desired partition, making it great for backups or moving data to a larger drive. Again, we'll mention that the partition copy process has been sped up for the video. These features make MiniTool's Partition Wizard a powerhouse for anyone dealing with storage management, whether you're a tech pro or just someone trying to clean up their drives. Now that we've covered the features, let's talk pros and cons. User-friendly interface. Even if you're not super tech savvy, MiniTool is easy to navigate. Comprehensive features. From resizing partitions to recovering lost ones, it covers all the bases. Free version available? Yes, there's a free version, and it's pretty robust, though the Pro version unlocks more advanced features and ultimately offers the best bang for your buck. Fast and reliable. Operations like resizing and cloning are quick and don't compromise your data. Cons, limited free version. While the free version is great, some features like OS migration and partition recovery are locked behind the paid version. No Mac support. Unfortunately, it's Windows only. Sorry, Mac users. Overall, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. And again, it's worth noting if you're deciding between the free and the paid. The paid version is budget-friendly for the added features you get. So, the real question is if MiniTool Partition Wizard 12.8 is worth it. In my opinion, absolutely. Whether you're a casual user who needs to manage storage or a support tech handling complex tasks, MiniTool is a solid choice. Again, you can snag it for free from the download link in the video description. I hope you enjoyed this review of MiniTool Partition Wizard. If so, please smash that like button and subscribe. We'd really appreciate the support. Bye-bye, everybody.